I was just trying to close up at the front. That's when the first one came in.
Lock the door! Close the door! They get to this door, we are dead!
Quinn, the key, where is it? I need it. That door is tempered steel. 4-inch titanium bolts. They're not getting through that door unless they got a diamond tip saw and a lot of time with their hands.
We have a coordinated attack with multiple shooters. We have no cell coverage, no Wi-Fi.
So what? They're just gonna wait until these psychos shoot every one of us?
All that gunfire, somebody had to have heard something.
Yeah, well, trust me, if they thought this restaurant was being shot up, we'd have heard sirens by now.
How is anyone supposed to know we're back here?
What the hell was that?
You're in danger, both of you.